Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your own wood filler for when you're working on any type of wood really and you want to fill some nail holes. So all you'll need is some white glue. This is Elmer's. And make sure it's wood glue. This is the cheaper stuff. You can get like the Gorilla Glue that's white. You'll also need a putty knife. Let's say you want to put a nail right here. Say you're face nailing a piece of hardwood or you're working on a project, whatever it is. A nail. Set the nail. There you go. So you want to fill this hole. So something that you're going to be doing anyways, hopefully, is sanding the wood. So I'm going to use a belt sander. There we go. Okay, so you've sanded your piece of wood. It doesn't have to be the same piece of wood you're working on, just the same type of wood. You can use this for hardwood, for pine, any type of wood. I'm going to gather up my sawdust here. And this is going to be on a smaller scale, but you could do an entire hardwood floor like this. And it's better to have the more fine dust. So this is, I sanded this with like 60 grit. But if you did 220 or something like that, that would probably be better. But this will work. Now you have your sawdust. Take your glue. Make sure it's white so that it doesn't change the color. And just put a tiny bit of glue in there. And then mix this up. Might help to have another putty knife. Now you have wood filler that matches your wood exactly. In fact, it's made from the same exact piece of wood. Push it in there. Now you can sand it and poly and stain it. The benefit to doing it this way, as opposed to using just a generic wood filler, is that, like I said, the color is going to be exact to the piece of wood that you're working on. Make sure that you sand all this glue out, because if you don't, then that glue is going to shine through the poly. It'll be highlighted. And just make sure you sand the entire board evenly. So that's how to make your own wood filler. Hopefully it helped out. Be sure to subscribe and check out my other videos if you like this one, and thanks for watching.